In the Birch Nightclub fire case registered by Anjuna Police, the Mapusa Additional Sessions Court has finally granted bail to the remaining two accused who were in custody, namely Bijay Kumar Singh and Rajib Modak. Both were working as managers at the Birch Nightclub. While granting bail to the two accused, the court noted that the investigation is now complete and that the charge sheet has been filed, which constituted a change in the circumstances from the earlier rejection of bail. The court further observed that several co-accused had already been released on bail and found no reason not to apply the doctrine of parity, as the roles attributed to the accused and the co-accused by the prosecution were identical. Anjuna Police had initially named a total of 14 accused persons in the FIR. However, the police excluded the name of Bharat Koli from the charge sheet and charge sheeted Mayur Kolwalkar and Mohammad Afif Abdulsab Bateri without arrest. Meanwhile, charge sheeted accused Surinder Kumar Khosla continues to be absconding. In the next stage of legal proceedings, the charge-sheeted accused will argue on the framing of charges imposed by Anjuna Police, which include Section 105 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita for culpable homicide not amounting to murder, Section 125 for the act endangering life or personal safety, Section 125 subsection A causing grievous hurt by endangering life, Section 125 subsection B for the causing death by act endangering life, Section 287 for the negligent conduct with respect to fire and explosive substance, and Section 3 subsection 5 for the common intention. The defense side, while arguing on the bail applications on previous occasions, had contended that the accused should not be charged for culpable homicide not amounting to murder under the Section 105 of BNS, and that at the best a prima facie case of causing death due to negligence is made out. Though the trial is expected to be a lengthy one, if any accused is ultimately found guilty of the culpable homicide not amounting to murder, the convict may face a sentence extending up to the life imprisonment. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.